Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for PPP loan forgiveness through Lendio. If your business received a PPP loan through Lendio, you can apply for forgiveness directly in the platform. And here's how to do it. First step is to log into your Lendio account, and then from the dashboard, navigate to the PPP loan forgiveness section. Select your PPP loan from the list of funded loans, and then fill out the forgiveness application form, providing details on how you use the funds. That's for payroll, rent, utilities, or other eligible expenses. Upload required documentation such as payroll records, bank statements, and lease agreements, and double check all calculations, especially your payroll cost and employee headcount, just to ensure compliance. Submit your forgiveness application and Lendio will route it to your lender and notify you of any additional requirements. You can monitor the dashboard and your email for status updates until you receive the final forgiveness decision. Submitting accurate records upfront will maximize your chances of full forgiveness. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.